Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're taking a look at some Bluetooth smart eyeglasses with built-in microphones. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're taking a look at some smart eyeglasses, and in today's case, we're actually taking a look at the SANGSTRE 2nd edition Haydn 5240 eyeglasses. And these have Bluetooth 5.0, they have built-in microphones, and they also have built-in speakers, which means you're able to accept and take phone calls with these glasses, you're able to listen to music, and there's all these other things you can do with these glasses. And SANGSTRE is actually known for making smart glasses. They claim to make the most comfortable and most nice looking glasses, because you do got to remember there is a lot of competitors in this space. I know, for instance, Bose has their own glasses, Soundcore has their own glasses, Razer has their own glasses, so it is a very competitive space. And this is my first time utilizing smart glasses ever, so I'm really curious to see how these smart glasses actually perform. These smart glasses can actually last 5 hours on a single charge, and when I show you guys with the unboxing experience, you will see that these actually come with a case, and the case itself can charge up the glasses, so you can actually charge up the case and then take the case on the go. And you may be asking yourself, what's the main reason why you want something like this? Well, when you think of traditional headphones or earbuds, they block out your ears completely. So with these types of glasses having speakers built into it, and let's say I was listening to music, it's just a lot more safer. I can actually listen around my surroundings. I kind of get that surround sound. I can have just a better overall experience with my music listening capabilities. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the video description, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying these smart glasses. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. Here is the outer box of the SANGSTRE smart glasses. And inside this box, we actually get the main packaging and a stylish bag. And I really admire the design of this main packaging. But now, let's get cracking inside this box. So the very first thing that we're presented with is our charging case, and you can see how nicely designed this case really is. And the benefit of this charging case is you can protect your glasses when you're not using it, and you could also charge it up. So inside the charging case, we actually have the glasses itself, and you can see how it's nicely folded inside. And overall, I just love this functionality of this case. But inside that main packaging, there's actually another compartment underneath that contains all our different accessories. So right here, we just have some safety information about the glasses themselves. And we also get included with a user guide that shows you all the different features and things you can actually do with these glasses. Additionally, we have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable. Right here, we have a warranty card. We also get included with this nice microfiber cloth. And inside this packaging, we get included with some nice nose covering replacements. And last but not least, inside the box, we get included with a mini screwdriver. My overall unboxing experience was pretty pleasant with these glasses. I was really surprised when I saw the case, because look at the case, like it just looks so premium. Like this looks like a traditional, glasses case that maybe people have to put their glasses into, and just look how nice and stylish this glasses case looks. And what I like about it is it's a charging case. I can charge it up, but then I can take this on the go and then just put my glasses in and then charge my glasses again. So it's just overall just looks nice. It looks like a well-built case that's going to protect my glasses, but also charge it if I ever need to use that capability. And then the glasses themselves, look at that. They just look like traditional standalone glasses. They did a really good job of eliminating the bulk, because you got to remember there is speakers built into this. There is charging capabilities built into this, and there's also that microphone that's built in. So they had to be really mindful on some of the places where they put everything. That's one, and then they also had to be mindful on how the weight is disposed. So you don't want it to be too heavy on the front end or the back end. You don't want it to be too heavy, I should say, on one side. So it is very important that the weight is balanced, and I think they did a really good job with me just holding onto these glasses. So let's actually put on these glasses on for the very first time. And I'm just gonna put this on. Wow. These don't look too bad. I don't know if you guys can see, but the design of these glasses just look immaculate. Look at that. These are very highly fashionable glasses, and I just love the overall design and overall appearance that these glasses are giving. And now what we're gonna do is actually pair these glasses up to my phone. So right now it's in that pairing mode. We're gonna go into our Bluetooth settings here, and essentially we're gonna connect to these smart glasses. So let's go into our Bluetooth settings. And right now you guys should be able to see my phone screen. And we're gonna connect to this SS2-Haydn. We're gonna connect to it, and let's see if it's gonna make an audio notification. It may, so there we go, pair.
Connected.
I don't know if you guys can hear that. It said it's connected, and my phone's telling me we have about 70% battery, so we should be perfectly fine when we do test this out. And I'm really curious to see how the sound quality is with this smart eyeglasses. And the cool thing about these glasses is I could just be walking down the street, take a phone call. It's just like, wow, did you just do that with your glasses? It's one of those products that would definitely be a conversation starter. Let's just say that. But let me go to my music streaming platform, and we're just gonna play a song here. Let me play this song actually. And we're gonna gradually increase the volume. Okay, I can hear the music already. I'm at about halfway through. So far the sound quality is pretty decent, pretty clear. And the cool thing is, with where the speakers are actually placed, it's like as if I have, speakers on both sides. It's kind of like that dynamic, kind of that stereo kind of effect, which is cool. I don't know how to explain it or showcase it to you guys, but this is really neat. Let me increase it to 100%. Wow, that's pretty loud. And it told me it's maximum volume. But yeah, the music quality, pretty good. Oh, this is awesome though. You could literally just walk outside, or be in class listening to music, or in the library, and then if you get a phone call, boom, pick it up. That's interesting. But yeah, sound quality is pretty good. Let me give you guys a sound sample. Hopefully you guys can hear it with my microphone. But you can see it's like a very unique kind of stereo effect you're getting. But yeah, the sound quality is pretty good with these glasses though. Let me get to the beat drop for a second for you guys. But yeah, sound quality, top notch. Like I told you guys, this is my first time ever using smart glasses. So, with my first experience so far, I'm really impressed, and I'm really interested to see how this technology, proceeds forward going forward. So let me set this down for a second, and I want to take a look at some of the different media controls. And since these glasses do offer a lot of different capabilities, it's hard for me to kind of remember everything, so I do have to take a look at the user manual here. But apparently, if you click this button right here and hold down for 3 seconds, you are able to pair new devices to these glasses. And these glasses, the moment you take them out of the case, they automatically should start, getting themselves into that pairing mode. In order to play and pause, you just simply need to double tap that logo that's on the right side, and it should play and pause the music. Let me find the logo. There it is. And let me double tap. And you guys can see the music starts playing. And if I double tap again, it should pause. Let's see. Oh, it looks like I missed it that time. Try it again. There we go, it just paused the music. So that kind of offers that hands-free, you know, playing and pausing of your music or whatever you're listening to. And in order to answer and reject the phone call, you do the same thing. You double tap on the right side. And then if you double click on the left side where the logo is, you can open up your assistants. So what that means is if you're on Android, that would be your Google Assistant. If you're on Apple, that should be your Siri. So let's try that again with the left side now. Double tap. And you guys can see it opened up my Google Assistant on my phone. That is really, really neat. In order to increase or decrease your volume, you just need to swipe that logo on the right side. So depending on if you want to increase it, you swipe the other direction. If you want to decrease it, you can swipe the other direction. So let's test that out. I'm going to click on play, and we're going to swipe to see if I can actually increase and decrease the volume. So let's try that. It's telling me it's maximum volume. So if I swipe the other way, we should have the volume go down. Let's see. There we go. My volume's going down, and I'm swiping on the left side of these eyeglasses. You can see the volume goes down substantially. That's really neat. In order to go to your next song or your previous song, you just need to swipe forward or backwards on the left logo. So let me play the music again, and we're gonna swipe and see if it actually swipe between the various songs. So let me swipe. There we go. Oh, it looks like it's just playing the same thing. Okay, so let me swipe the other direction now. Okay. And you can see this is a completely different song. Swipe again. And it's playing a completely different song right now. Swipe again. So you can basically go through and, you know, select your song selection with these earbuds. Or eyeglasses, I should say. See, I'm so used to using earbuds that's all that's on my mind right now. But you can see now we have a completely different song playing right now. Really, really neat. But overall, these glasses offer so much capabilities, you know. For instance, I know for a fact once you have these glasses out and let's say you're idling, I think within 10 minutes it will power off by itself so that it can conserve power. And even with the charging case, you can actually click on this button, and depending on the color it shows, you can actually know the percentage of your glasses. And it is important when you are storing this to close your left leg of the glasses first before you close the right, so that it can make perfect contact with the charging prongs that are in the charging case. But there is one more thing I do want to test out though, and that is the microphone. So let me open up my audio recording software. And as soon as I click on this red record button, we should be able to capture the audio that these microphones have with these glasses. So let me click on the record button. So right now we're testing out the microphones that are built into these eyeglasses. How does it sound? Would this be optimal for voice calls? Obviously, I'm not going to know until I go back and listen to it. But think about these glasses in the convenience sense, you know, being able to accept phone calls without having to take your phone out. That's really, really neat. Able to listen to music, you know, if you're listening to podcasts, you know, it's really neat knowing that you're able to basically control and function a lot of the different functionalities that you would already do with your phone or with your earbuds. And now it's kind of like that 2-in-1. You got glasses, but you also got, you know, speakers, and you also got a microphone all on your head at all times. Like, it's interesting. It really is. But I'm going to end the recording, and I'm going to listen back to this audio recording and see how did this microphone actually perform. So I just finished listening to the audio recording that we just made, and surprisingly, it sounded pretty clear. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this SANGSTRE second edition Haydn 5240 eyeglasses. What you guys saw with my testing and demonstration, these glasses are fantastic. It's hard to explain it if you've never experienced it. That's just the best way I can, you know, say it. It's just one of those things you just have to try out if you ever get the chance, because it's really cool to see how far technology has become, I should say. And, you know, being able to fit speakers and microphones and still have the glasses look like eyeglasses is impressive. And like I mentioned, their slogan is all you can see is glasses. And I do gotta agree. You know, most people when they see this, they're going to think it's just some typical normal glasses. They're not going to know that it has built-in speakers and microphones inside of it. So I do gotta agree, they did a good job, and hopefully they'll make better versions and implement more technologies, more features over time. I'm very curious to see how this transforms, years to come. So overall, I'm really impressed with what I got with this product. Thank you all for tuning in to this episode of Tech Reviews. If you did enjoy this episode, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of smart eyeglasses. And then also product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the video description, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying these eyeglasses. Hopefully you did enjoy this episode. I had a blast making this video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.